నేను డైలీ 5 o'clock తీసుకుంటాను మరి ఈ రోజు నుంచి క్లాసు. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఎందుకంటే నాకు మీటింగ్ సరిపోతుంది, టైం షెడ్యూల్ కరెక్ట్ సెట్ అవ్వట్లేదు అది.
ఓకే.
ఓకేనా? సరే, లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో
ఓకే.
అప్ టు వి క్రియేటెడ్ సమ్ ఫిల్లెట్స్ అండ్ సాంపర్స్ కదా వర్క్ చేసాం కదా.
డ్రాఫ్ట్ యాంగిల్ లాస్ట్.
ఓకే, షెల్ ఆప్షన్ యూజ్ చేసాం అండ్ ఫిల్లెట్ చాంఫర్ యూజ్ చేసాం కదా.
ఎస్ సార్.
రైట్, నేను ఇంకొక విండో యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను స్క్రీన్ పైకి, కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ ఫ్యూచర్స్. ఓకేనా? సో ఇంకో విండో యాడ్ చేశాను, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ ఫీచర్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టూల్. ఓకేనా? ఇది వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టూల్. దీన్ని బట్టే మనం కాంప్లికేటెడ్ బాడీస్ అన్నది ఈజీగా క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే,
ఓకే.
నౌ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ generally we can see all the tools are not highlighted because that nothing is going to show until we create something in the screen. సో అందుకని ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే ఒక బాడీ చేద్దాం. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది ప్యాడ్ టూల్. Select the sketch. Now try to create any object whichever you like. So let's create one rectangle box. So here I'm going to specify distance of this rectangle box by using constraints. I'm going to select this distance is around 10 and this distance is also 10. Height and width also both are 10. So then when I executed this one, it convert into solid component, right? Let's put this height is 50 so that we can see component. Vasunda?
Yes sir.
Now I want to create the same body. Now I want to create the same body multiple times. ఇదే బాడీ multiple times రావాలి. సో సింపుల్గా ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఆప్షన్ కాల్ యాజ్ ప్యాటర్న్స్. ఇన్ ద మిడిల్ ఆఫ్ బటన్ దిస్ ప్యాటర్న్స్.
Yes sir.
Click on this option, we can see multiple types of patterns. దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి చూడు rectangle pattern. So first one is called as rectangle pattern. So click on this one. Defaultly it selects body. Defaultly it selects the body. We doesn't require to select. Defaultly it selects the body. We doesn't require to select. But if you want to choose the body, we can click here and you can select the body. If you want to choose the body, click on that one, choose the body. But I want to select defaultly. Just right click here, select as set current solids. Whatever the body is there, it is going to pick automatically. Okay na? Now second thing is we need to select the direction. Reference direction is there. Click on this one. We can choose plane or any direction, edge also. We can choose edge or plane. Depend upon requirement you can choose. If you choose edge, only this edge is going to select. If you select a plane, both plane direction both will come, x and y will come. Now in this one, see, when we are getting second option, we can see one dot is coming, right?
Yes sir.
Now here we intensives are there two are there, that's why 1 2 we can see, two bodies are we can see. If I keeps on increase this number, automatically the bodies also increases.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు మిడిల్ నాకు ఈ బాడీ వద్దు, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు గెట్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ బాడీ, జస్ట్ అన్క్లిక్ ద పాయింట్,
Okay.
it will not come. Again re-click the point so that it will come. It is one direction. Second direction also there. Click on second direction and increase the second direction distance. Even though increasing automatically is going to add. See,
Okay.
now I don't want to select this middle parts. You can simply unselect this middle body so that I can get that bodies here. ఒకవేళ వద్దు అనుకుంటే just click on that particular bodies, it will not come. If you want, we can select that one. ఓకేనా?
Okay sir.
నా దీన్ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తున్నాను. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డిలీట్ దిస్ వన్. ఒక స్మాల్ రెక్టాంగిల్ వేస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ చూడు. ఓకేనా? లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న పైన ఎక్కడన్నా పర్లేదు, డజంట్ మ్యాటర్ వేర్ యూ వాంట్ టు క్రియేట్, జస్ట్ క్రియేట్ ఎ రెక్టాంగిల్ అండ్ స్పెసిఫై 1 inch, 20 mm horizontal distance, 10 mm in vertical distance. ఓకేనా? Then you can extrude how much you want to extrude, but I want to extrude only 10 mm. So simply I'm going to extrude this one 10. Once it is done, I can close it this one so that we can see block, right? Now in the
Yes, sir.
block, on the block, I want to create this teeth. I want to create teeth. So click on this one,
Okay.
select the sketch. I want to create a circular patterns here. That's why circular shape pattern. Try to create one circle, then exit, then extrude it. How much you want to extrude it, you can extrude it. I can repeat this particular body how many times I want to repeat it. So click on this one, circular rectangle pattern here. Choose the direction is this direction. It is coming opposite direction. Change the direction to opposite, and you can specify the distance between each node.
Okay.
So like this, I can create multiple teeth, and also I can change the second direction also depend upon requirement. This direction. How many teeth you want?
Okay.
So like this, I can create a body with some brush like teeth like this.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So for that is called as rectangle pattern.
Pattern.
Now second one is given as circular pattern. Circular pattern is based on what type of circle is there. Based on that one will come. So let's create one shape. Any shape, doesn't matter which shape you want to create. We can create. I'm going to create one shape like this. Okay, na? Exit. I'm going to develop this one. Add. How much you want to extrude that one, we can specify. Click on OK so that we can see one body, right? Same body, I can repeat this one. Same body, I can repeat this one. Simply, I am going to select circular pattern. Select the plane as a reference. Okay, plane as reference. And how many you want? Just increase the number of count so that it can come like this. Preview. Click OK so that we can see like this body. Okay, now I'm repeating this one in different method. Let's create one circle. I'm going to create one circle. Okay, let's put diameter of the circle is 100.
Okay.
First I'm going to create one circle, simple circle I'm creating. Okay,
Okay, sir.
let's provide this circle diameter as 100.
Okay.
Once it is done, I can make this circle as a disc by using certain thickness. I'm going to put 10. We can see one disc like structure, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what I'm doing means I'm going to select the top face of the circle, create a perpendicular line to the circle like this. Okay,
Okay.
now specify the depth. How much depth you want to specify? Let's put 13. Once it is done, I'm going to create one left direction line, one line. Okay, now I'm going to make sure that this left direction line should have certain distance. Let's put 5, and this right direction line also 5.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now let's make it as fixed one. I'm going to select this top point and top circle, right click, coincide, so that it can be arranged like this perfectly. Now I need to create a inclination line like this, but angular line here and angular line here. This is the one line,
Okay.
doesn't matter where this ends, and this is one line. Okay, na?
Okay.
Try to create same circle again. Try to create same circle again with the same radius. Coincide I'm going to make it. Now choose the line and circle so that we can see the V shape. Then provide the angle between these two as 45 degrees or 90 degrees according to requirement. I am going to put 60 degrees so that it can be symmetrical angle. Angle between this line to this line also I am going to specify distance as 30 so that it can come exactly center.
Okay.
Now I want to create a arc like this. I want to create arc like this. Two arcs I want to create. I have to create two times, right? I can create one time. I can mirror it later.
Okay.
Now create an arc by using this arc, starting point of arc, ending point of arc, and specify its radius, how much you want to specify. So based on
Okay.
requirement, we can change these values, whatever values you want to choose. Click on this arc, mirror it to opposite direction by using mirror tools. Transformation, mirror, and selecting this particular line so that we can come opposite also. If I decrease this number, see, automatically everything is going to change the body, changing a.
Yes, sir.
So like this I can change. If in future if you want to change the particular shape of the thing also. Now I want to keep only this arc and followed by upper line, downer line. Rest of the things you have to remove. So that's why I'm going to click on eraser. Click on eraser. Remove all unnecessary lines from the screen.
Okay.
So that we can see this shape. This shape I can see. Now use pocket tool to cut the body. In the cutting.
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to select this cutting, circular pattern, choose the face so that we can see more amount of the circular pattern cuttings. But unfortunately it is not covering totally. That's why go to parameters and change to complete crown. Complete crown means automatically it is going to arrange number of teeth. Just keeps on increase the number, it will increase the teeth like this.
Okay.
Once it is done, click OK so that we can get a gear like structure. Easily వస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
అంటే by using circular pattern we can create gear like structure very easily.
Okay.
ఓకేనా? అంటే we have to create that
Yes, sir.
shape. Important shape is this thing. ఈ షేప్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా మనకు గేర్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ అంటే ఇలాంటి షేప్ ఒక్కటి చేసి సరిపోతుంది, మళ్ళీ చేయాల్సిన లేదుగా రిపీట్ చేయడానికి. సో
Yes, sir.
circular pattern helps to create this type of structures. ఓకేనా?
Okay.
నా
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు డిలీట్ చేస్తున్నాను దీన్ని.
Okay.
Now I'm going